This is an apocryphal tale, and I know it only because my father repeated it to a lot of people at many times, that when I was about, he said I was still in my crib. Now, I was a smart little girl. I don't know, unless they kept me in a crib for a very long time. And I spoke early, and I spoke Yiddish. And he claims that when I was a little girl, very little, I made up a poem that he heard me reciting to myself when he came in one morning to pick me up or whatever. And I quote, this is apocryphal, so I can't swear to it. But the poem was, Ich hab einmal gesehen am Mäus. I'll translate for you afterwards. Ich hab einmal gesehen am Mäus, hat es entlaufen, weiß ich nicht wo, Efter in Keller, efter in Haus, ich hab einmal gesehen am Mäus. And what it means is, I once saw a mouse. Now, that's the Bronx, probably. And it ran away. I don't know where it went. Either it went into the cellar or into the house. I once saw a mouse. Now, my father claims I made up that poem. He wrote it down, and I don't know where it is. It's among his papers somewhere where he copied it. And he claimed that I made up that poem when I was 2, 3 years old. And let's say I was 4 years old, but it tells you a little bit about how Yiddish was very much a part of who I was, that I could express myself in Yiddish that way, if indeed I did, and my father wouldn't lie.